Take a ride in the 2014 Xterra. Accelerate your activity with the Nissan Xterra. Its powerful 24-valve V6 lets you climb faster and further, while its versatile interior lets you stretch out in style. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, luggage rack, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.